I'm Jillian.
Hi, I'm Madison.
And I'm Kathleen.
And we're Cooking with Science.
Today we're going to teach you how to make a cell.
And along the way, we're going to teach you the function and organelles in the cell. The recipe we have for you today is for a eukaryotic cell. For starters, we're going to show you what you need in the cell.
The mitochondria, the cytoplasm, the Golgi apparatus, the lysosomes, the nucleus, and the plasma membrane.
These are the starting ingredients, but more organelles will be formed later.
Because the mitochondria is the cell powerhouse, it contains ATP that needs to be extracted. I will now be extracting the ATP from the mitochondria. Now we're going to extract the ATP.
Here we have the cytoplasm, which holds all the organelles together in the cell, and the liquid part between each organelle is called the cytosol.
Okay, we're now going to add the nucleus into the cytoplasm. There's the nucleolus, so the little yellow part right there. And it manufactures the cell, the molecules of the cell ribosome. Okay, the nucleus controls the functions of the organelles in the cell, and it contains all the ATP.
Now we're going to add the mitochondria to the mix with the ATP.
Being that the average human adult body consists of 50 to 65% water, we are now going to add some water to the cell so that it can determine its hydrophilic and hydrophobic parts.
Okay, we're now going to add the Golgi apparatus into our mix. The Golgi apparatus puts membrane around the certain materials and allows it to secrete through the membrane.
Lastly, we are going to add lysosomes. Lysosomes come from the Golgi apparatus. These lysosomes were extracted from the Golgi apparatus earlier. Lysosomes are used to break down proteins, nucleic acids, lipids, and carbohydrates. They break down these components to be able to recycle them throughout the cell.
So we're now going to put our cell mixture into our plasma membranes.
Plasma membranes are made up of a lipid bilayer that consists of a hydrophilic and hydrophobic side.
The plasma membrane supports and structures the cell.
The plasma membrane also allows certain proteins to come in or out of the cell through endocytosis or exocytosis. Mac and yummy cells.
Okay, now we're going to put our cells in the oven and all the other organelles are going to form.
Alright, gonna pull out these cells, see how they look. Looks like these ones are done. So, to know your cell's done, it should look something like this. Alright, and let's explain what we see here. Okay, so this is the nucleus and the Golgi apparatus that's formed. All around here are mitochondria. And you can't see it because it's really small, but there's the nuclear pore, which is communication between the nucleus and the rest of the cell. So that's where like all the information goes, like the mRNA. There's the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these green things are little ribosomes, and they are the site of protein synthesis. And right next to it is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The vacuoles are energy storage centers. So these green things right here are centrioles, and they're associated with nuclear division. They're made up of microtubules, and they're found in what is called a centrosome. And that's how you make a cell.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned some stuff today about making cells. Adios. Yum!
Cooking with science. So video over time.
Just
We should have a tea time.
So the plasma membrane consists of I look at bilayer. Yeah.
This is why we're chefs.
This is why we're chefs, really.
Egg!
That's charged. Okay, it is hard. It is hard. We need to take this out. Look how frank we are. Oh, there you go. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So
Take 1,800,000.
25.
Awkward.
Okay, so it's awkward. Okay, take turns. We're going to take turns. We're going to take.
It wasn't anything, Madison. It was just.
So we're now going to pour some mixture into these cyto something. Now I'm done. I can't say this, guys.
The end.
The end.